Hello guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options grayed out on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update. So without any further delay, let's get started. So Bluetooth options are grayed out. Mine is blue here, but if they're grayed out, then this is the solution video just for you. I'll be teaching you 3 methods on how to do it. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is reset your phone. It's simple. You click on your home button, power button, and your top volume button and click it until the option comes of slide to power off. Then I suggest you to as so, and after that what I want you to do is go on your settings, then click on general, then click on software update, and if there is any software update, and then please update your phone, as this may also be causing issue. As you can see, my iOS is up to date, but if you have any software updates, then please update your phone. And if these 2 methods also don't help fix your problem, then what I want you to do is go back to your home page of the settings, then go to screen time, then click on content and privacy restrictions and close this. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.